Nia omorai ogatano winseito ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto na boigo omokonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua nigo emirobirie egendete gokorekana imeyegetigie chigosori kia Moi International Sports ase ensemeri ya Kasarani omorobirie yubo kwererigwa obogambi nigora chigokorekana litukolia Jumanne ase omorai winse ogosoka Uhuru Kenyatta awchikomoereri obogambi Dr. William Ruto eligochaka emirimo yaye bene omugavana we county ya Machakos Alfred Mutua nigaikera na chinsemejo ase aligereri bene naki emirimeyo egendete kwariganigwa oigo nigo aerera ogochaka bene kwa emirimo ya Kenya kwanza ase atebabuna nigo bero berete bene linde gochigoikerani alibanyate kwa bakolichira gochia ase aba Kenya.
Today we've done a preliminary visit of the stadium where the inauguration function will be held for the 5th President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, His Excellency. We are here with teams from the National Government Office of the President, from the judiciary, from the military and others. And our main concern and our main issue was to make sure that the standards that are being set up here today are of international quality. We want this event to be flawless. Want this event to send the right message to Kenyans that we are ready to work. And so far, we've walked around with the senior officials here, and we are very happy with what we've seen. We are a team from the former Deputy President's office, and I've been working with him, and so far so good. We have made a few changes to ensure that there's proper flow of traffic and proper flow of the VIPs that will be coming here. So, and we've urged them to continue and finish the work as quickly as possible. We've made a few changes here and there to make it easier for wananchi. What we want to tell Kenyans is that the transition is real and it is happening. And Kenyans should brace for themselves for a government that will deliver to the people. And that's what we want to do. Have this inauguration, have a good time, but then we get back to work. We don't want to waste a lot of time. We have impressed upon the management of the stadium that everybody coming here is a VIP. Every person who will come to this stadium is a VIP.